Going to acceptance mode, 2.7 kilometres to go, roundabout.
Yeah, over another roundabout. We just saw Ed Turn swinging out, just looking for his teammates. I've seen Simone Consoni not too far away from Jonathan Milan, who's already taken a stage in this race. Remember, the wind direction crucial. Just look at the UAE flags here, 2.4 k's to go. The wind is coming from the left-hand side in their face. So the way to sprint, I think eventually they'll force it over to the right-hand side. Right now they're riding and swinging off to the left to allow space. So sprinting on the inside is the fastest line. So what they're going to want to do is try and force riders around the outside, as the man on the front at the moment, Mikkel Bjerg, driving hard.
Fire service have arrived for Jasper Philipsen just as he was about to burn down. He was on his own up front. Rob Heiss is here. Timo Kielish has made it over as well. So has Jonas Ricard, who was hanging off the back. In fact, I'm not sure about Ricard, but man's 2 and 1 on the countdown for the lead out are here for Jasper Philipsen. And in fact, that line of purple is lining up for Dylan Groenewegen, and he's just on the back of it there. It's a white accent to his red and indeed blue national kit, the Dutch champion. Looking and straining our eyes here, trying to find some of the other sprinters in this very, very big ball of sardines we've got rolling over each other. There's the European champion, just on the left-hand side of your screen. Milan is here with Lidl Trek getting in a very good position. The GC men have had their fun today, and the others are just folding over each other. Tim Malier, the European champion, is sort of centre left, just off the middle line of the road. 1.2 to go, and in fact we've got our Flamme Rouge coming up, and then our final roundabout, Matt.
Yeah, Flamme Rouge coming very shortly. It is Alpes indicating the team of Jasper Philipsen driving hard on the front. This is going to be a chaotic sprint. 1k to go. Remember, there they go, driving up. This is the final roundabout. Then it's a straight line. This will thin things out a little bit, but it is the team of Bora, Red Bull, Hansgrohe at the front now.
Milan getting involved there with, in fact, the European champion was having a little bit of nudgy. Here comes Dan McClay being guided up. You see the men in yellow and black. Can he possibly sting? Meanwhile, Jaco Alula with one of the ultimate lead-out trains. Bora also getting involved here for Sam Welsford, with Danny Van Poppel doing a fantastic job. He can thread the needle when he needs to. Going solo is Arvid to climb by the looks of things. And here we come. There is Philipsen. He's on the back wheel at the moment of Milan. Milan gets the drive that he's looking for. Super effort by Consoni. Now then on the far side as well. Tudor getting involved. Big drive now from Jonathan Milan. Where's the European champion? It seems to be between the pair of them. Who else is going to get up here? It's going to be the big man that hits the line first, I believe. He versus the European. Three-up photo with Philipsen coming in extraordinarily late. And it was that Trident, wasn't it, that hit the line first. It's between Tim Malier, Jonathan Milan, and indeed Jasper Philipsen. I think Milan has got it.
It looked as if Milan might have just got that by just a tyre's width, but as you said, Malier was coming up, and then very late was Jasper Philipsen, the three sort of sprinters royale here with a blanket finish, but he looks pretty confident. Obviously the angle foreshortened ever so slightly, but it looks like he's pretty confident he has got another win.
Check this out. Here is your photo, and it's as we called it, but the three best sprinters were up there. Dan McClay looks like he may have thrown for a very accomplished fourth place. Goodness me, what a finale it was from what's been an extraordinarily busy day. What a happy man.
Yeah, he's a happy man. He's got some power, that lad, isn't he? Again, opened it up at the right time, but you've got to be so careful not to open up so early into a headwind. That was a really